What's up, winners? On this show, we learn to see through manipulation, half into it. Meghan claims to be an expert on everything. Not true, but she is an expert on whining and crying for the camera in particular.
I just really want to get to the other side of all of this.
This is the worst acting I've ever seen. How stupid are her fans?
I just really want
to get
to the other side of all of this.
Other side of this. Okay, worst thing ever. Okay. Just, I don't even know.
Well,
Meghan hanging with her rescue chickens. You
the
see
Little
from
Mermaid came on. Now, who as an adult really
Fake.
watches The Little Mermaid? But it came on, and I was like, well,
Lies.
I'm just here all the time, so may as well watch this. And I went, oh,
She saw her hero, Ursula.
oh my God. She falls in love with the prince, and because of that, she has to lose her voice. But by the end, she gets her voice back.
Gets her voice back. And this is what happened here.
Yeah, I made so many sacrifices to bag a rich prince, which was my dream for my whole
You got your
life.
voice back.
I was sitting in Nottingham Cottage, and The Little Mermaid came on.
I don't think it's
Now,
possible,
who as an
but
adult
just
really
bear with
watches
me.
The
I
Little
wish
Mermaid?
chickens could
But
fly,
it came on, and I was like, well,
and one would lay an
I'm here all
egg,
the
just
time, so may as well watch
falling her
this.
head
And I
right
went,
in the middle of this nonsense.
Oh my God. She falls in love with the prince, and because of that, she has to lose her voice.
Music. Anyone who watched their documentary or interview with Oprah and took it seriously is an idiot. Simple. I don't even know what to make of this. You guys tell me. She's pulling Harry around. She looked what the? Weird. You know she's kind of like spazzy whenever she touches people. Like she was like rubbing them, and it's just weird. Very weird. Like for me, I make, you know how there's like mirror neurons, like empathy when you see someone, you feel like, I feel like, ooh, like just like a little, like, ooh, it's like heebie-jeebies a little bit. Okay, here's some really serious problems these women are having. I believe they're in poverty, all these things, and Meghan Markle suggests making a cookbook. Wow, Meghan.
Markle, who suggested making the cookbook.
In January 2018, as I was settling into my new home of London, I met a group of women whose community had been affected by the Grenfell fire.
And the recipes from this community kitchen became a bestseller.
All this food we're cooking in our own homes of this pandemic and in the kitchen, still the funding is coming from that book. And thank you.
Settling into my new home of London, I met
Yeah, Meghan did nothing but insert herself. These women made the cookbook, and they're getting no credit. Meghan's just coming in, right? Like, do you know the name of this woman they're interviewing? Do you know the name of any of these women involved? Meghan had nothing to do with it. She just comes in, oh, it's my project now, as she does per. Okay, this is hilarious. I think this cooking show's already fallen, but we just got to review this. We have Meghan here. For once, we have Meghan with someone creepier than her. I do have to say, Matt Lauer is worse than Meghan.
What do we need to know?
So really simple. I mean, we're just
Making her
talking about nice
grilled lettuce.
How long in advance do you do this?
You should do it an hour in advance, and you definitely want to put it in the
Two
fridge.
creeps
just let it sort of
hanging out.
marinate for a bit. But again, you just want to infuse that.
I
flavor
like
in there.
shrimp, but
Really
Meghan just
simple.
makes it look
Before
gross.
you actually cook the shrimp, what temperature
She
do you
looks so
like them to be
clueless.
at?
Her cooking stuff's hilarious. Why is so clueless? And then, oh yeah, we are. Okay. Meghan, I don't know how she managed to always get people to say what she wanted.
Thank you. So excited to be here.
Meghan Markle,
So excited.
judge. The future princess.
So she's
is
back
a
to.
judge on-
Didn't she say the plate was too small on this, and then you just like.
Food Network show, Chops Jr.
All right, winners. I'll see you soon.